In this video, we will compare two popular portable washing machines, the WonderWash and the COSTWAY Portable Washer. The WonderWash is a manual, non-electric washing machine perfect for small spaces, while the COSTWAY offers electric twin tub functionality for larger loads. Let's dive into the details to find out which one is better for your laundry needs. When it comes to capacity, the WonderWash has a maximum washing capacity of just 5 pounds, making it suitable for small loads and delicate items. In contrast, the COSTWAY Portable Washing Machine boasts a larger capacity of 11 pounds for washing and 7 pounds for spinning, making it a better option for families or individuals with more laundry. This significant difference in capacity can greatly influence your choice depending on your laundry needs. The WonderWash operates manually, requiring physical effort to crank the handle for washing. This eco-friendly approach means no electricity is needed, making it perfect for off-grid living or camping. On the other hand, the COSTWAY Portable Washer is electric and features a twin tub design, allowing for simultaneous washing and spinning. While this adds convenience, it does require access to a power source. Price is another critical factor to consider. The WonderWash is priced at an affordable $69, making it an attractive option for budget-conscious consumers. In contrast, the COSTWAY Portable Washing Machine is priced at $159, reflecting its larger capacity and electric functionality. Depending on your budget and laundry requirements, this price difference may sway your decision. In conclusion, the choice between the WonderWash and the COSTWAY Portable Washing Machine ultimately depends on your individual needs. If you prioritize eco-friendliness, portability, and affordability, the WonderWash is an excellent choice. However, if you require a larger capacity and the convenience of electric operation, the COSTWAY may be worth the investment. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more comparisons.